Good evening, guys. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again with another video. So welcome you all to today's video. I hope you all are doing well. All thanks be to God, we are also doing well. So today's video, we're having this. Can you see this? We're having coconut. This is coconut, and we are going to prepare it because I want to use it for cooking rice today. And I'm going to show you how I normally prepare my coconut. Yes, so so today, if you don't know that rice, coconut, you can use it for cooking rice, for cooking beans. Even if you want to have it in your meat, you can, as the soup. By the way, if you see this one is hard work for you to make it, to prepare it, even you can go to the supermarket and just buy it there, because they sell it in the supermarket, the well prepared one, the ready made. Yeah, they sell in the supermarket the ready made. So this one, I'm actually going to break it down. I'm not going to break it in the house because my son is asleep. So I'm going to break it outside. So I will come and show you what is inside. And yeah, so stay tuned. So I finished to actually break it. You can see that. You can see that. Yeah. And this is the water that I got. It's a lot actually. You can see that it's a lot of water. So with this one, I'm actually going to get that thing inside. I will show you the process. Yeah. So guys, this is the coconut. You see that? This is the coconut. I have actually removed it from this. You see? I've removed it from this. Now it is this. You see that? So I'm going actually to cut it in two pieces like that, small pieces, because I am going to blend it. Yeah, for those who have ever tasted coconut rice, you know what it is. Coconut rice is really good, tastier, healthier. Yes, so you make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. I hope you're seeing me well the way I'm preparing my coconut. Yeah, I'm cutting it into small pieces so that it can be easier to blend. See how I've cut it to small pieces like this, like that, so it can be easy to blend, because I'm going to use a blender to blend it. Yeah, there's this way, and also there's another way. If you don't want to blend, you can to blend fast, you grate fast and then you blend. Yes, but for me now I want to blend it. I'm cutting it into small pieces like this, and then I'm going to blend it, and then we sieve it. Yes, and then we keep that water later on. We use it for cooking the rice, because today that is my menu. Yes, you can use this in anything. So now this is our blender here, and we are going to put it in here, and the other water that was inside the coconut is here. We are going to put it here also, and we blend it together. I want thick water from this coconut. I don't want a lot of water. I want little but thick. You understand? Little but thick. There is where we are going to blend is there. There. Don't mind about all that. Hey. Yeah. That's okay now. So let's blend it. Power on first. We are done. We are done blending our, see how thick it is. Really? Now I want you to see carefully. See how thick it is. Yes. So let's continue with the sieving. We are going to sieve it. Hope you're seeing well. I have this one, the siever. This is what I'm going to use. It's not that big, but at least it can help for now. See the soup is really thick. It's not even seen well, you can't even see. The soup is really thick. So guys, we are done preparing our coconut. Yes, so our coconut milk is here. You see, it's almost, this one is almost full, but I wanted this. I just wanted something thick. This is actually like a small saucepan. You see, a small saucepan. So this is good now for preparing the rice. and yeah, later on. It's actually afternoon, and I'm not going to cook now because we have already eaten lunch. We have already eaten lunch, yes, and this is for dinner, for preparing rice for dinner. Actually, my husband loves this rice, coconut rice. Yes, my husband loves coconut rice a lot. Don't know whether you can see it from there. It's there, the saucepan. My husband loves coconut rice, that's why he bought it. And yes, so that is all. Like I said, if you want to prepare coconut, like the way I have prepared these ones, you removing from this, you have to break it and remove the water that is inside and keep it aside, and then remove this white thing inside. If you don't have a blender, you use a grater. You grate it into small pieces with a small, too small. Then you put the water, you smash it with your hand like this, then it will bring thick milk. And then if you have a blender, it is easy for you. You can just do that as easy as possible. Very simple, like the way I've done. So thank you so much. Also, this one, it is not only for that you can it like that. Even you can blend that soup, that milk, and then you drink it. Also, you see, like the way this one, they eat it like this, like hmm, it is tasteless when you eat it like this, but so many people like eating it like this. Even my husband likes eating it like this, but for me, I can't eat it like this. It's tasteless. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. That's all for this video. Don't mind about my sink there. I'm going to settle it right now to wash all those utensils. I was just busy doing another thing, so I'm done. See you guys on the next video. Kindly subscribe to support your girl. Share, like, and comment. I love you. Mwah.